Hey Jay, just a few things here with the Yvonne's website. So first, what we need to do here is to have neighborhoods a little bit differently displayed. So she wants 3 in a row, 3 in a row, and 4 in a row. So basically make them a little bit bigger in the first three, and then have 4 here because there's 10 of them. Then the Toronto search Toronto needs to be in the middle, as she said in her email. And also what she wants to do, and she's asking about these sales that you added, supposed to be added to the sales that they're already there. So not just these 15, we need the other ones to be there as well. These ones and the other ones that were there before. Next, when it comes to the contact, not the contact, sorry, the testimonials, this needs to be in, I think I'll show you, I'll send you that email from her. Just give me a second. Yeah, you see how this needs to be in italic? So this needs to be a little bit bolder and italic, and that should be the changes that we need for Yvonne. Let me see if there's anything else, but I will send you these two emails. Yeah, so basically sales to be all of these sold listings, communities in 334 display, and the Toronto in the middle, and the text needs to be in italic for the testimonials and the rest. Thanks.